Yeah, hi Lasse, it's Mark at FMAV. Okay, so this is disc number 2, mech number 2 for you. This one has all been done perfect for you. Again, you know, a clean up and a new laser part, a laser head that's been put in there, a good quality laser head. That we use now. So you know, these last, you know, well, we haven't had any of these ones back at all, so these are really good quality parts. So here we go, which power that up for you. Again, you know, your parts have been tested for over an hour to make sure they run through the discs without any errors, and you know, go back up. So I trust you're happy with that. All working as it should be. You will just put another CD on there just to show you it's all good. Push the play button. Go straight in there. The back noise is my amp that I've rigged up, because obviously I'm using a 54 TDA board, so my amp is just a cheap eBay amp that I use for my stereo, just to make it work basically. So, but yeah, there you go. That one is number 2 for you. So thanks again.